Hi there, my name is Mr. Labidis, and in this video we will keep working on my 7th practice set on SAT. This is exercise 24, which is titled as Percentage Problem. Let's go. At a school, 60% of students participate in sports and 35% participate in music. The number of students who participate in sports is 150 more than the number of those who participate in music. If every student of the school participates in exactly one of these activities, how many students are at the school in total? Okay, so let's assume that the entire school has X students. We know that 60% of these, 60% of X, so 60 over 100 of X, are those who participate in sports. At the same time, we know that 35% of all students, 35% of X, participate in music. Now, we know that all of them participate in exactly one. So a student can either be in sports or in music, not in both, and certainly cannot do nothing. So with that said, we know that those who participate in sports is 60%, and those who participate in music is 35%. However, we also know that the number of students who participate in sports, so 60 over 100% of X, is 150 more than those who participate in music. So it's 35% of X plus 150. Once again, sports is music plus 150. And now all I have to do is solving this equation. But before we do that, let me give you a quick reminder. This is just a solution of a full set of practice papers. You can find all of them in the link below this video. Now, let's continue. We were about to solve this equation. 60% of X is 35% of X plus 150. So, if I want to do it by hand, I would multiply everything by 100. 60x is 35x plus 15011, which means that 60x minus 35x is 15,000, which means that 25x is 15,000, so x is 15,000 over 25, which, if I now use my calculator, let me grab it, it's gonna be 15,000 divided by 25. That is equal to 600 students. So the entire school has a total of 600 students. That was all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I'll see you in one of the next videos. Thank you for watching.